In this video tutorial I will show you how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. First, open the Instagram app. This is my profile. I'm going to block my other Instagram account. I will search for my other account. I'm going to block this account. Now I'm going to switch to my second Instagram account which I have blocked. Now I will search for my first profile. You can see that this account is blocked. We can't see any posts and followers. In order to unblock yourself, you will need to create another Instagram account. I'm going to switch to another account that I have created. Go to the Instagram messages. Tap on this little icon at top right. You need to add your primary account and also the account that you had blocked. And create the group. Type some message to the group. I now will switch to the account that's blocked. Open the group chat. As you can see, you can send messages to the account that have blocked you. So you cannot fully unblock yourself, you only can send messages.